Hey everyone, it's Dr. Monica here. I am so excited to announce the launch of the Founders Cohort of my new program, the Automated AF Accelerator. Now, if we haven't met before, I'm the former Chief Operating Officer of Forte Labs, and I hold an EDD, a PhD, and I'm currently working on my JD. I've spent over 20 years helping businesses streamline their operations, scale efficiently, and optimize their workflows. But this Founders Cohort is special. I'm pouring my heart and soul into this group. You'll get my full attention as we work closely together to transform how your business runs. You'll be among the first to experience this hands-on program where I'll guide you through auditing, streamlining, and automating your operations. I know how overwhelming it can be juggling all the tasks in your business and feeling like there's no time to focus on growth. I've been there too. That's why I created the Automated AF Accelerator to help you put systems in place that give you back your time and energy. Imagine having automated systems that allow you to scale your business without getting stuck in the day-to-day grind. Whether you're already running a business, side hustling, or dreaming of starting one, this program is for you. And as part of the Founders Cohort, you'll get exclusive access to bonuses and be the first to experience this transformative journey. This isn't just another program. It's a commitment to your growth, and I'm here with you every step of the way. If you're ready to turn your disorganized operations into scalable systems, join the Automated AF Accelerator waitlist today. You'll get early access to exclusive bonuses and pricing before the program launches in January. Click the link below this video to secure your spot on the waitlist. And let's make 2025 the year you finally scale your business with clarity and confidence. I can't wait to see you inside the accelerator.